An historical full-story renovation project with stunning sea views. Santa Maria del Cedro's Old Town is just 4 kilometers from the beaches along southern Italy's west coast. Elevated 110 meters above sea level, many of the town's properties offer sea views. At the base of the Old Town, the communal buildings are surrounded by local shops and a bar. The historical centre is accessible by car with plenty of parking available. The main piazza has a great restaurant, bar and supermarket, while at the top of Santa Maria del Cedro, there's a second restaurant and pizzeria. The locals are very welcoming, as the stranieri will testify too. Along this row of terrace houses is a 4-story renovation project. Let's take a look. As we enter, we have an arched entrance, and the original stone has been left behind to make a feature wall. Let's take a look. On the basement floor, which is the ground floor, there are 2 rooms. It also leads up to the first floor. Follow me. All floors have outside space. This could be a bedroom or a living room. It's up to you. But all floors have an open space. Follow me to the second floor. This could be your living room and kitchen. And just look at the stunning view. Let's go upstairs one more flight. This could be an attic bedroom with bathroom. And imagine waking up every morning to this stunning view. If you'd like any information on this property or any of the properties, please visit our website. For renovations, we have videos, so please click on those. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, please do so.